Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518PRO to program 2012 Lexus LS600HL.
Add a smart key to this car. What we need to be prepared for is K518PRO, an OBD communication cable, an original car key and LT20 smart key produced by Lonsdor. First, plug in OBD cable to the car. Select special features. Key settings. LT20 smart key. Convert smart key type. Note that this function requires internet connection. Put LT20 smart key into the card slot. OK. Generate 4D. OK. Select the corresponding menu according to the original car key. OK. According to the original car key, press the key setting button. The generation is successful. No need to continue the generation. Click Cancel. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Lexus. By vehicle. LS series. Choose 2013 to 2021. Smart key. Select Add smart key. Please turn on the ignition switch. Do not start the engine. Click OK. Ensure that the battery is fully charged. Ignition switch is on. Click OK. The number of keys 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the prompts within 30 seconds. Program complete. OK. Turn off the ignition. Check if the key can be used normally. OK. The key program is complete. Let's see if the keys work. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. The new key. Lock the car. Unlock. Original car key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed smart key for this car. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More surprise ahead.